So my whole thing behind the YouTube channel here is basically I want another avenue to record me building the Mustang, and I do plan on tracking it. I feel like it'll be cool to record track days and such, all that jazz. Kind of just want to have fun with it, fuck around, find out some shit. I mainly want to track the car because I want to refrain from slamming the fuck out of it, making it super fucking low, going big camber, tilt, all that shit. Trying to stay away from that. Did it to my last car. I liked it, it looked great. It fucking drove like dog shit. Did not do car stuff very well. But yeah, I want to track the car, I want to build the car, and I want to document it. I hope you guys fucking stick around because I'm gonna be fucking doing this regardless. I don't give a fuck. Anyways, today, just gonna do some fucking gay ass 3M tape shit. I feel like I'm sinning buying fake fucking Chinese carbon fiber 3M tape, but I can assure you guys 100% of the carbon fiber after these few interior bits are done, it will all be fucking real. I feel like a complete and total fucking loser buying this 3M tape shit, so it was the first time and it is the fucking last time. Alrighty. Fucking 3M tape this bitch on there. This is the first time I've taken this out. Yo, this is gonna fucking look probably pretty damn good.
Oh my god.
The curve here on the end. So fuck it. Fuck, this stuff smells like shit though. Jesus. That fucker got pretty dirty. Okay, now it's time to separate the backing from the 3M. Probably shouldn't have peeled all of that off at once. Fuck, I don't know how well that corner's gonna stick. If fucking at all. From a little ways away, it looks fucking great. I knew this corner bit right here was gonna be a pain in the ass. Yeah, I could have lined that up a little better. I should have only taken off about half of it, like up to like right here, and maybe I should have done this side first, got it fucking perfect, and then it would have followed through the rest of the way on application. But fuck it. That looks pretty fucking good though. Alrighty, that fucko's done. Now we get to do the really fun part. Infotainment. This looks pretty fucking good though. Not gonna lie. Just gonna kind of grace over the top of it here. Get some of the big stuffs off. I actually don't know how far down this goes, if it goes all the way down onto those. This one is going to be a lot fucking harder to get on. At least perfectly. That adhesion promoter didn't dry up. No interference with any of the dials or buttons or switches or anything. 'Cause holy fuck, man. Stuff looks damn near real. Looks awesome. Gotta love glossy carbon. Gotta separate the backing paper stuff. Already not liking the way that looks. I'm assuming that's how that fucking goes on. Either that or I'm about to look really fucking stupid. Yeah, I don't fucking think that's where those are supposed to go. They're probably supposed to go up in here, close this gap. But you know what? Fuck it. Shit looks pretty damn good though. Holy fuck, man. I mean, what was this? Fucking like 30 bucks on fucking Amazon or something? I don't know. This shit was dirt cheap. Dirt fucking cheap. Now, will it stand the test of time? There's only one way to find out. So that concludes this first video. Basically just wanted to run a little introduction, do something as far as an install goes. Should be plenty of that shit on the channel. I think this shit kind of fucking turned out. I don't think it looks terrible. It doesn't look fucking perfect, but you can only get so fucking far with 3M tape and shit, so I'm fucking okay with it. It turned out good enough, so I think I'm fucking good to go. But yeah, this does conclude the first video. I hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment. I hope you enjoy the content I plan on making in the future. And that's pretty much it. You guys take care. Have a good one.